Alright, welcome channel guys. In today's video I have got this Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer. So these are the smart glasses from Ray-Ban and collaboration with Meta. So I have been wanting these things from long time, but they have finally announced this product recently in India. So as you can see, we have this Wayfarer matte black frame with polarized glasses. So there was one glasses with clear glasses and transition lens, but I know those transition doesn't not work that smoothly, so I had to go for the polarized one because the plain glasses look little basic. So if we are spending this much of money, why not wear it with little style? It says Wayfarer here. You can see all the other details and all the model size and everything. You can see here at the back it says made for iPhone and all the other things. There are two pull straps. There is one here and the big one here. So let's cut through the small one and see what we have here. Okay, looks like a welcome card or something. This is get started safety plus warranty thing. We have all the information about the safety and some basic information about the case and the glass itself. So here are the quick features. It has the power button, which also works as capture button, camera. It has the touchpad, LED, speaker, microphone, and the notification LEDs. So let me keep this aside for now. We have the big pull tab here. Let me cut through it and see what we have got. There is one more, the glimpse of little features of it. It says listen, call, live stream. So the Wayfarer is kind of engraved here. Feels on my hand. Yep, the moment of truth is here. Again it says listen, call, live stream. Same thing in other languages. And here we have the Meta View app. This side we have got a small cleaning cloth which has the branding of Ray-Ban and Meta, as you could see. This is microfiber cloth. Let me keep this aside for now. And on this side we have some quick start guide. So I really want to go through it. As of now, let's keep it aside. And one more thing we have here, this is the booklet which has all the information about the glasses. So finally here we have our glasses. This is the case. Here we have the Ray-Ban branding, and you can see the case is made of leather, I believe. There is little button which has soft, and there is this micro USB port to charge, and you can see there is one LED button here. We can open and we have Ray-Ban Meta branding here. Again it has this nice finish to it. Then this case also works as a charging function. You can see this is how it looks inside. Let me keep the case aside, and we have got the glasses here. See, there is one little LED light which also works as notification light. You can see there is the hinges looks quite strong. Here you have the button to start recording or stop recording, and you see the sticks here. This also works as touchpad. You can increase or decrease volume, play, pause music, take calls or decline. You can see there is the camera here. There is keep the camera on one side and the light on another side. So these both actually look like cameras, but among these only one is the camera. You can see the Ray-Ban branding here. This is how it looks. So yeah guys, that's was all about this quick glasses and the unboxing video. If you have any doubts or suggestions, do let me know in the comment section box down below. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Peace out.